Today I'm at Tophill Low Nature Reserve, where Yorkshire Water have built a reception hide and a nature trail that's both family friendly and suitable for wheelchair users. There are several disabled parking spaces and other facilities such as wheelchair accessible toilets. Let's go have a look and see what it's like. The ramp up to the reception hide is quite long, so that when you get to the top of it, you have the height to clearly see the reservoir. Once out the hide, the doors are wide enough for a wheelchair user to get through. There are several telescopes for people to use in the reception hide, which are height adjustable, and you get a great view over the main reservoir. There's also a window with a couple of bird feeders where you can get up close to the wildlife. When you've finished at the reception hide, you can have a wander around the nature trail, where the paths are mainly compacted gravel. At the bottom of the ramp you can take a sharp right and get onto a dipping platform at the pond. Afterwards, turn right again and take a stroll through some beautiful woodland to get to the North Lagoon hide. I've had a lovely time here today at Tophill Low Nature Reserve. I've seen lots of different types of birds, including waterfowl, songbirds and kestrels. I've also seen other wildlife such as frogs and even a beautiful little stoat. I know that I'll be coming back again to see what else it has to offer.